Hello, my name is Bobby Carmona. Today is February 5th, 2019. This is my week 5 video submission for biochemical testing for microbial identification, carbohydrate fermentation testing. For this experiment, I have all appropriate PPE. I also have my cultures, the S. cerevisiae and the S. epidermidis. I also have 6 fennel red broth 9mm tubes. I would like to note that for some reason 2 of these are orange, but we'll go ahead and still proceed with the experiment. I've already labeled them, each with one S. cerevisiae glucose, and then we have 3 different ones. So this is number 2 S. cerevisiae fructose testing, and then this one is the third one, S. cerevisiae mannitol. Alright, so, and we have the same thing but for the S. epidermidis culture. I've already sterilized 2 pipettes and 6 of the Durham tubes, and I also have the glucose. Okay. So to begin, I'm just going to scroll this. I'm going to be using 3 different tests to again identify carbohydrates of the bacteria, just to properly identify them. So to start, I have the candle ready right here. I'm going to take the cap off of this first one, and I'm only going to do 1 for the video, but I am going to do 6 of these total. I'm going to sterilize the tip, and I've already put these to room temperature 30 minutes prior to starting the experiment. Okay, so that's done there. I'm also going to transfer half of the glucose powder that's in each one of these. I have 3 of these, so enough for 6. I'm going to transfer these to the vial. Let's see here. So we're going to transfer 6 here, or I'm sorry, half of the powder here. Alright, a little bit more than what I needed, but this should be okay. And then it says to pass it again to the flame so that we can recap it, and then we're going to mix it. So go ahead and cap it. And then we're going to mix it thoroughly, it says. It doesn't give a specific time, but we're just going to shake until the powder dissolves, which it looks like it has. So now we're going to remove the Durham tube, which I have already for the purpose of the experiment, and we're going to insert the Durham tube into the broth so that the opening of the Durham tube points towards the bottom of the broth. And again, I've already sterilized it, so we're going to put this in this way with the opening towards the bottom. Okay. It doesn't necessarily hit the bottom right away, I imagine, because there's a little air vacuum in there. Now, I've already also sterilized the pipettes, and it says to take the cerevisiae, S. cerevisiae culture. We're going to sterilize the tip. And I'm going to get 4 drops and drop it into the culture, the red phenol tube here. So we're going to get this. Again, I've already, you can see there's a little bit left over. Let me air dry this. So now we're going to get 4 drops. Okay, put that there. And we're going to add it to the phenol red tube. 4 drops here. I'm going to be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, put that there. And then we're going to just return the rest to this. And we're going to sterilize this, but for argument's sake or for time's sake, we're just going to leave it here to the side. Going to recap this one. And we're also going to recap this one. Again, passing it over the flame. I think I switched the caps, but I'll switch them over right now actually. So I'll be doing this for the 6 other ones and then seeing the results. Alright, thank you very much for watching my video.